Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this inside sliding door or sliding door like this. And here we got cornice and skirting or skirting, cornice, skirting and a frame. Okay, very simple. Or if you want cornice or skirting, you just add first lor. Maybe I click this one, complete. Okay, so we do the frame. About the frame, right, you can come to here, the door and window. Okay, here we got frame. This one, I think decoration. Wait a moment, find the frame first. This one, background line, the frame. Okay, so almost same now. The frame. Okay, just drag only. Okay, put here. Not this one, sorry guys, not this one. This one not just a frame, this one is a passway. Okay, so we use this one. I forget already. Pass, we choose this one, regular passway. Just drag and put there, then you may see a passway. Okay, with frame. And for this one pattern, if you don't like it, you can click B, board selection, select it and press delete. So bye bye, delete already. Okay, but then we must modify it, the door size. So this one I'll put 900 for the sliding door size. This one I put 2100. Okay, after I complete already, right, so now I may just add the door. This one, the door. Okay, for the door are very simple. You can create yourself. Okay, you can go to system cabinet, start with park. Okay, usually you can use superboard created by yourself, but I'm lazy, so I'll be using this one, which called When Panel, I think. When Panel. Wait a moment, find the banner first. Where's my banner? This one, decoration fiscal board. Okay. So after that, I'll just find back the frame, or because I'm lazy, I'll find back almost same the frame. Okay, then I will just click on it, change the height. So this one is 2100. Okay, same height. Maybe I make it more a bit. You see, the height are different, so I'll make it more a bit. 2200. Okay, something like this. Then the size, this one I'll make it double. Okay, 900, so I'll give it 1800. Okay. 1800. Okay, complete. So with this one, I will just select it and right click. Using this function called sliding door, we create a sliding door. So sliding door, I may just choose one of it. So simply choose this one. Maybe I choose this pattern one, or door pattern one. Choose. Okay. Then after that, very simple. You just click that to move it. We move it in a bit. Also, we go inside the wall. Then we move it here. Also, we can adjust it like this. Okay. Okay. So after that done already, you exit. You can click on the door and you click O. It will shift. Okay. This is one of the method lah. Or you can adjust the size when you want. Maybe this one you think the frame are not enough. Put 2000 or 2000. Okay, 2000. Then I adjust it, adjust it. So it become a door, but you can open one. Click O. Okay. And if you don't like the door inside here, you can create yourself by using this one called superboard. Okay. Usually we will use superboard to create anything we want, or you can use free modeling also, or to create the door. Then you put inside there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.